Good morning. Today we are going to study the topic Human Resource Management. Human resources are the wealth to the organization. They are the assets to an organization. It is a source of strength and aid for a company. Human resource management is a set of policies and practices to maximize both personal and organizational goals. According to Flippo, human resource management is the planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of the procurement, development, compensation, integration, maintenance, and separation of human resources to the end that individual, organizational, and social objectives are accomplished. So, human resource management deals with the human resource of an organization where the human resources are recruited, organized, and motivated in such a manner that they develop and maintain a peaceful and a harmonious environment in an organization. They are able to achieve their individual goals, organizational goals, as well as social goals so that the organization runs effectively and efficiently. The basic characteristics of human resource management are as follows. It is an integral part of the process of management. In an organizational structure, human resources are considered to be an integral part. They cannot be separated from the management. Without human resource, no management can run. The function of human resource management is performed by all the managers throughout the organization, rather than by the personnel department only. So, all the managers of the organization are responsible for human resource development and not particularly HR department. Next feature is comprehensive. The main function of HRM is to manage people at work. So, HRM is a term that covers all types of people at all levels in the organization. It applies to workers, supervisors, officers, managers, and any other type of personnel in the organization. Pervasive function and comprehensive function are the main functions of HRM. It is inherent in all organizations and at all levels of the organization. It applies to all the functional areas, example, production, marketing, finance, research, recruitment, selection, development, and utilization of people. So it is considered to be the most important feature of HRM. People-oriented. HRM is concerned with the employees and the individuals who are working in groups in the organization. It deals with the human relationships within the organization. It is a process of finding out the optimum arrangement between individuals, jobs, organizations, and environment. It is concerned with all categories of personnel from top to the bottom of the organization. So all the people working in an organization are covered in HRM, whether they are working at the top level or to the lowest level. Based on human relations. It is concerned with the motivation of human resources in the organization. It stresses the solution of personnel problems to achieve both organizational as well as employees' personal goals. So HRM focuses on the human relations. They focus on the problems of the personnel so that they are solved as early as possible and do not create any hindrance in the organizational goals as well as employees' personal goals. It is a continuous process. It is not a one-shot function. It is a never-ending exercise that has to be conducted by an organization in every sphere and every level. HRM is a science as well as art. It contains an organized body of knowledge consisting of principles and techniques. Thus, it is known as science. It is also considered as an art because it deals with handling people, and it is considered as the most creative art. It involves the application of theoretical knowledge to solve the problems of human resources. It is a recent origin. As compared to the other areas of management, human resource management is comparatively a young discipline. It started in the later part of the 19th century. So these are the characteristics or nature of human resource management.